Hey friends, today we're going to be continuing with perimeter, where we add up all the sides. Remember, perimeter, friends, is the sum of the lengths of the sides of a figure. Now, sometimes the figure has different sides like this, where we would add up 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 3 plus the 4 to get 16 inches as the perimeter of that figure. Sometimes some of the sides will be the same, and we can take a look at this. Like 15 and 15, we can double that, and we know that that's 30, and 6 and 6 and 6 equals 24. So if we add up that 30 and the 24, we have 54 centimeters for this whole perimeter around this hexagon. Sometimes the shapes will have all of the sides that are the same, like in this pentagon. So we know that there are 5 sides that are 8 feet each. And so we can do 8 times 8, 8 times 5, which equals 40. And then sometimes we will find a perimeter problem where we know the actual perimeter, but we have an unknown side length. And so that's where we add up the sides we know, 10 plus 6 to give us 16. And then we subtract it from what we don't know, 25 minus 16. Some of my friends like to count up from 16 to 25 too, because it's not that big of a difference. So you guys can do that as well if that makes more sense to you. We can't do 5 minus 6, so we'll have to regroup. And then that would give us our answer of 9 meters for this side. And you can double check. 9 plus 6 plus 10, does that equal 25? Yes, it does. Let's practice this one together. This figure has a perimeter of 58 inches. So we know that perimeter, that total length from here to here to here to here is all 58 inches. What's the unknown side length? So we have an unknown side. So what we need to do first is add up the sides we know. 12 plus 13, which is 25. And then we add that extra 10. That would give us 35. So we know that there's 35 inches that are from here to here to here. But we have to also figure out this long side, okay? And to figure that out, we can think 35 and go up to 58, or subtract 58 minus 35. And we don't even need to regroup. 8 minus 5, which is 3, and 5 minus 3, which is 2, to give us 23 inches, which is the unknown for this side. All right, friends, let's go ahead and practice this a little bit more tonight, and we'll continue practicing again some more tomorrow. Great job.